In this video, I will show how to create a shortcut on your taskbar. If you are using Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11, so you can create a shortcut easily. On start, here you will see a list of program or search a program like you want to create a shortcut for Chrome. Search here Chrome. Now right click on your program. Here the option pin to taskbar. Similarly, any another program like Google Drive, search here, right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. So as we can see, we have now a shortcut on taskbar. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel.